wearing this from a long time too, you know.
Outside.
But the suit is pretty. Lace, everything, tight, everything.
Hey guys, what's
up?
up?
Wagwan.
So you know what day it is by the title. It's election day in Jamaica, or as we both call it, Jamaica's biggest sports day, because it comes like a sports day for true. Like if you don't know Jamaican school sports day, election day, it's like a big sports day vibe.
But in them colors,
right?
Green, orange, all the ear them and them thing there.
All the panty them go hard. People.
Real talk.
Them go hard. We've seen it all today, okay? Right now, what we see mainly are two sides, yeah, but it comes like a big sports day where people are talking, no matter which side of the pan.
Yeah.
That's how I know it, and thank God I didn't know it, how you guys are somehow who know it. But yeah, we are going to exercise the right to vote.
We just stopped around a Mountain View Avenue a while ago. We're off Mountain View Avenue.
Yeah.
I nearly to know them places, but I go check a bridge a while ago and we stop around there, and I mean, even you can see which side dominate around there, but you see other team they the same way, and them have a ban, you know. You don't see no bad vibes or nothing like that, and
you know, see, I don't see aggression.
Yeah. I
don't see aggression, and you know, that's a good thing.
So JJ, you gonna vote?
No, I don't have an ID.
You don't have an ID? Suppose I get you an ID, Jay, will you vote?
No.
Why not? Why not?
I don't want any problem.
Huh?
I don't want any problem.
You don't want any problem?
No.
What kind of problem you gonna have?
What kind of problem you gonna have, baby? Huh? So guys, we are actually voting in two different locations. I'm voting somewhere totally different from Adrian because our address was previously different. Obviously, you know, we are newlyweds, so you know, we were living different places. So we were numerated, that is it? Different places. So
what do you want to call it?
So we're now here. So we are now driving to my polling station, where I'll vote, and then we're gonna go back and go to Adrian's polling station.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
hey people, this place well festive.
yep. Every light post have colors, you see it.
This is Central Kingston area. Central Kingston, you talk about. I'll show this to the pan. It's a Winward Road with the pan, you know, people. Right, so North Street and all them places they included in this constituency. You know. Yeah. So Julia Robinson here now. Hey people, Mountain View Avenue. Yeah. Festivities, election morning now. Everybody I live good, you know? Yeah man, check it out though. Whoa. Sorry. Oh Jesus.
Inside to the left. Oh, Swan School there?
Okay. Berlin Johnson School, okay.
Yeah. So this is Jamaica's sports day.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What do you mean?
See the people? We missed it a while ago. Lick kinda and the pan bite back in at the election day, lick that to the people. Lick kinda and bite back. Short. Sport. Hey guys. So we're now at my polling station. You know what this guy's doing? So usually what happens is I find out there are like different sections inside, and usually I find like which section my name is at, and then I wait in line, and then after waiting in line, then you go and vote. Yeah, so this is what's happening now. I'm gonna show you around the scenery. I just say it's like one big sports day. Crowdy. Yeah. So yeah, just gonna get my info and then find out where I'm supposed to, what line I'm supposed to join, and then I'll get back to you guys. Bye. Guys, I'm finally done. So it took me a little while to actually find my polling station. That was kind of messy because the first place I went to, excitement. First place I went to, they were very unorganized. You want a specific scene, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Finally in. Finally back in the car, guys. That was a long process for me, honestly, because it first started with me trying to find my polling station, and the first place I was directed by the auxiliary officer. When I went there, they were so unorganized. Come like them junk already. Like, uno party officials, stop giving people them rum now. Stop it, man. Oh, they must do the work when them under liquor. Them junk, man. Somebody have to leave the song, go to another place, and they were more organized. I go there, I say my name. Within 2 minutes, I get my polling station. Thank God for them.
Yeah, guys. We're in Portmore, Patroen. It's actually Patroen main road in Portmore. You know. Yeah, I'm actually on my way to my polling station, you know. Yeah.
So you see, in these tents, people, these are where you would go. Look over here to do. Wow. In these tents, that's where you would go to find your polling station. So when you come at these places, you'd actually go underneath one of those tents. Anyone?
Yeah, guys, all going. So we're there in a greater Portmore, you know. We're bridging from way back, Chris, you know.
Yeah, man.
Hey. So we just find out we don't call PD polling division. So get the number. So I'm going to go in there now, go do the do, you see me? Alright, take care. Yeah. I do the checks them and get to hand them sanitize. Oh, so we are 79. So you have different PD or polling division as what them call it right around. It look like it's a easy process, me that's it. You know, 50A. Oh, well, which part 79 there? Okay, okay. Yeah, people see. We just exercise my rights. You know? Very, very powerful symbol this, you know. You know, so my voice can talk. So you say me G?
Yeah, man. Do it, man. Do it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know. Hey. So I don't know exercise the right, you know.
Hey. The process was fairly easy still.
Yeah, yeah.
And then they kept up proper sanitization protocols. I mean, I like the fact that sanitize your hand after every little thing that
Ah,
we do.
which is good. Before you put it on in the ink, them sanitize again, right there.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. So what going on with you?
no go on, never get for food, then so they can't find it on the list.
Yeah, no.
Next time, you know.
Yeah,
Next
yeah.
time we'll vote, man.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Yo,
man.
big up yourself, my G.
Alright, my bad.
Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, little more. Alright. Yeah, my friend, it's a long time too, you know.
outside.
For the suit and pretty. Lace, everything, size, everything. Yeah, people. So we go out today, you know, we exercise alright, you know?
Yep.
You see me? Yeah.
So we fulfilled the mission. So I hope you guys enjoy watching.
Yeah.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Very windy. So remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time we drop a video. Bye guys.
Yeah, man. Peace out.
Bye.
Yeah.